Hello and welcome. I've got in front of me today this Possl Trenta 640, costs under 60,000 euros, 636 centimetre long campervan. You can have diesel heating. What makes it stand out, if anything, is the rear bed, which is in a lengthwise configuration, sort of German layout, two joinable singles, so you can unjoin it to make two singles if you want. It also has this very good storage all the way around, and I shall demonstrate it from up here. You can put, this is one unit. See, there's no dividers except there at the back. That's a separate unit, but these two here, you can open one and access stuff from the back there. I think that is a very practical solution. We've got windows at either side, and of course two windows in the door. We've got this ledge up here, which I personally think is a waste of space. If it were my decision, I would like to see this come down like that. Nobody does that, but I'd like to see that. Bear in mind what you're putting here are clothes, so it means not putting crockery or something like that, probably putting in the clothes, so that would use the space to the maximum. What I really can't stand seeing is waste of, like, putting a ledge in like this. What you're supposed to do with that? That is absolutely and utterly pointless. As soon as the vehicle moves, whatever's in there is going to fall out, so that's an invitation to disaster. So, and at the back here we've got steps, and we've got, as you can see, storage in those steps. Two steps up to the bed, very elegant in my opinion. And of course, as always, the bed will come up. Now what's good about this as well, although we don't have access from this side, you've got storage below. And I shall put this over here like that to demonstrate. If I can do this with one hand, this will come up, and there you've got your wardrobe. I do appreciate that it might be better also to have access from this side, but there isn't one. But all the same, I think that's good that it is there. We'll have a look at the back also, but what's going on in there. And it goes in relatively easily if you know what you're doing, which case I don't. Anyway, I'll sort that one out a bit later. They've got it's got a large washroom. It's got a window in the washroom as well, and storage. Now this here will open, and I think that is why we've got that daft ledge on the other side to allow for this in here. Now wouldn't it make more sense to make this a bit longer, just it's the sort of thing they've done with the storage at the back. They got rid of the dividers, and that's just my opinion anyway. I do like the fixed sink though. I think that's something which is really good. Now behind me here we've got this really good kitchen block as well, but wide shelves, and we've got two burners, we've got a sink as well, and we've got this workspace which is above the fridge. There's the fridge, opens like that. Largish, well, reasonably large table, contoured to allow it to sort of get in and out. I'm sorry, when I say large, I mean for a vehicle of this size. Let's go and have a look at the back. Oh, notice you've got here, you can turn the 12 volt on here if you want to turn it off. Lights go off. Not all the lights are off incidentally, because this is the trade fair and they've got external lights on it as well. We can see here you've got the electrical hookup as well, and from this we can see how much water and electricity are in the vehicle. And coming to the back, we've got, so you can see that all this will sort of move around. You can take it out if you want to store something in there. Storage for two gas cylinders in here, and it's a big gas cupboard there. This bit at the front there, that will actually come out, but bear in mind there are steps there as well, which won't come out. We've got lashing straps on the floor as well. And good, so that's the Trenta, a relatively economic vehicle at the current time. Having said that, I think that prices will see, if anything, a fall in campervan prices, probably. So I hope you found that interesting. Thanks very much for watching. I upload every day at 21:15, so if you're interested in any campervans, motorhomes, then this is the place to be. If you're interested in a used vehicle, you will see what they look like in past years as well, so you can tell from the date it was uploaded what year it was approximately, because I mean obviously if it's got for example, you might have the 2017 season uploaded in 2016, so but approximately, and there may still have been things from 2017 and 2018. But if you see a used vehicle you like, you can have a look at what it looked like when it was new, and you get the price as well when it was new. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.